We have different steps and requirements when working any electrical high-voltage system. Number 1. Permit to work must be issued before job start, and only competent trained person will allow to do the job. Number 2. Always wear approved high-voltage gloves, rubber shoes, face shield, and body suits when performing the job. But we are not wearing any approved high-voltage suits on this video, because it is only a school activities without high-voltage presence. Number 3. Press the off push button to switch off the high-voltage circuit breaker from power source inside the switchboard. Number 4. Take a special tools to rack out the high-voltage circuit breaker for breaker isolation out from the bus bar. Number 5. Use another special tools to connect the circuit earthing switch from 3-phase busbar into the ground. Take note that we cannot connect the earthing switch if we do not fully rack out the high-voltage circuit breaker. Number 6. Open the switchboard by means of push-button lock release. Remember that we cannot open also the switchboard door if we do not connect the circuit earthing switch, because of the safety interlock features of the switchboard. Number 7. Put the trolley at position to load the high-voltage circuit breaker, and disconnect the breaker control line plug from the switchboard socket. Number 8. Unlock the high-voltage breaker and pull out, to load the trolley for better isolation out from the switchboard. Number 9. Move out the trolley away from the switchboard for job preparation to keep safe the high-voltage breaker not to damage. Number 10. Go to the bus bar behind the switchboard panel, and make a bus bar earthing for more safer on the job to be done. Number 11. Arrange and inspect the cable leads and clamps of earthing connector. Never use the earthing connector if found any defects. Number 12. Prove that the bus bar is dead, or without any voltage by using a non-contact voltage tester. Extend the telescopic stick, and select the voltage range according to the bus bar voltage. Always confirm the normal operation of the voltage tester before and after a test operation from every bus bar. We can start the bus bar earthing connection if we prove that no any voltage presence on the bus bar. Number 13. Pick up the telescopic shotgun stick and inspect if it can operate properly without any defect. Number 14. Always connect first the common earthing connection clamp to any conductive ground surface. Be sure that all connection clamps are tight enough in the horizontal way of cable lead direction to avoid any damage. Number 15. Pick up the first phase connection clamp using a telescopic shotgun stick, and clamp to the nearest phase bus bar from your body. Number 16. Pick up the second phase connection clamp, and connect to the next phase of the bus bar. Avoid the cable leads not to twist and become damaged. Number 17. Pick up the third phase connection clamp, and connect to the last remaining phases of the bus bar. Take note that using a hand for voltage testing, and using a hand for inserting a ground clamps are not acceptable in working any high-voltage electrical system. We must always use the proper approved equipments for high-voltage system. Number 18. We are now safe to do any high-voltage job. It is strongly recommended that always a minimum of 2 persons to do the high-voltage job for safety reason that can call any help if something got wrong of doing a high-voltage job. Number 19. Go back to the bus bar earthing connection if we finished all the high-voltage job, and removed the connection clamp on the first phase. Number 20. Remove the next connection clamp on the second phase of the bus bar, and gently put down the clamp to avoid any damage. Number 21. Removed also the connection clamp on the third phase of the busbar. Number 22. Remove the last ground connection clamp that attached on any conductive ground surface. Number 23. Go back again to the switchboard and install the high voltage breaker with control line plug in the switchboard socket, if all bus bar earthing connection was removed. Number 24. Pick up the special tools and disconnect the circuit earthing switch from the bus bar phases. Number 25. Rack in the high voltage circuit breaker, and switch on the breaker using push button to energize the bus bar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel. Knowledge Link Information.